4. Well,
Question 4, take 1. Mark. Have fun.
Yes.
It's not as serious and daunting and scary as you think it is.
It's also not as long as you think it is. It
Yeah.
goes around so quickly.
Oh my god, you here.
don't be afraid to ask questions. Don't be afraid to... There's no such thing as a stupid question in this industry.
Listen. Always listen. Take in what they're saying to you. Learn from it. And communicate well.
Yeah, I'd say don't take it for granted as well, because there's a lot of people who would like to be in your position and probably could do what you're doing.
Yeah.
So the fact that you've got it, take advantage of that.
Yeah.
Work hard and hard work will follow you.
That's it.
It's just the fact that you have so much experience. Like you could learn anything from a book,
Yeah.
Yeah.
but you don't learn anything in the screen industries unless you do it. You
Yeah.
have to be there. You have to learn hands-on.
Like there isn't any one way to do something as well. So like the fact that it's
Yeah.
on a set experience, everyone does something different way. Like I've learned by being on 3 different productions now that there is no right way to do it. There's lots of different right ways, and so long as you can adapt to that, yeah, and you that's why.
There's
Great.
flexibility in what you can do as well. Like, I'm speaking from my experience that I've done locations. I'm now moving into the running side. There is a chance for you to move around various departments and try new things as well, definitely.
One thing I'd add, similar to what you said, Mark, is like one way to get into the industry is starting off by going to uni. But I remember one day on set, I was trying to strap umbrellas to a mag liner, which is something we carry kit on. And me and the loader who was above me couldn't work out how to do it. And as soon as we finished it, he said, you don't learn that in uni. And I really agree that there's loads of things that you can't really teach unless you're in the situation, whether it's strapping umbrellas to a mag liner, whether it's finding, cover for a mag liner, just loads of stuff that you just have to be
Yeah.
practical with. So,
Hands-on experience is very underrated.
Yeah,
Yeah.
definitely.
Oh yeah.
It's just all of the above.
Yeah, all the above there. Hands-on experience.
Is there any more?
We done?
I think we're done. Yeah.
Go.
Bye.
The one with the red.